here's what it came with. Yo guys, welcome back to the Joel TV. So today here I've got a multi-tool 17-in-1 multi-function hammer and axe knife. Got it from Amazon. It was $12. So here's what it came with. It's got a little manual showing everything it's got. It's got the keychain thing. And here is the main thing. It's got a Velcro case. And here it is wrapped in plastic. It is, let's just check right here what all it is. It's got pliers, it's got wire cutter. The wire cutter is in between the hammer and the axe. And it's got a cover there over top. You know, it's got the hammer, the axe, it's got a slotted screwdriver, it's got a serrated blade, it's got a hex wrench, it's got a bottle opener, it's got a saw and fishing hook remover. So it's on the same thing. It's got the Phillips screwdriver, and then it's got the actual knife. So the material that this was made out of is stainless steel and aluminum. Right off the bat here, since I do notice it's got a little bit of weight, usually weight means it's got quality to it, so it's not too cheaply made. So let's look at the side tools we got here. I already showed you the wire cutter in between there. Here is the saw. Here is the bottle opener. Here is another saw. Here is the Phillips screwdriver, and there is the knife. So put all these away, and I'll just show you the knife. There's what the knife looks like. 3-inch blade, I guess. So right now I want to test out the hammer and the axe. With the hammer here, I've got a good sized nail, and I got a block of wood, and I'm just going to test it out. So I've been hitting at this for a little while now, and it's really not, it's not the best hammer. I mean, obviously it's cheap, it's small. It's not really made for big construction projects or anything really. But you can see the nail is stuck in there, but it would take some time to get it actually through this block of wood here. So I'm gonna have to give the hammer like a 3 or a 4. I don't think it's that good. But if you're out camping or doing just a little thing, or just fixing up something in your room and just need a little thing fixed, yeah, it could work for a little project, but nothing big. You need a real hammer. And another thing about this hammer is it doesn't have the back piece to a hammer where you to pull a nail out. So next up, I'm going to review the axe. I've got a small log here, real wood here, nothing treated or anything like the block there. This is just wood from my woods up there. It doesn't seem too sharp, but it's got some force to it. So, after chewing away at this for about, I don't know, 20-30 seconds, you can see the indentation there. It's made a mark in this log. Pretty good one too. I would have to give the axe itself, the hammer was a 3. I'm giving the axe a 7. Yeah, a 7, because I feel like the axe would be way more useful than the hammer. So I've got the axe cover back on there, and now it's time for the final review. I gave the hammer a 3. I wasn't too impressed with that. The axe I was more impressed. Overall now, I'm gonna have to give this a 9. Yeah, or an 8.5. It's my favorite color. It's holding up pretty good. It's got good weight to it, and it's pocket size, so it's not too big. It's got the screwdriver. I don't need to test this kind of stuff. I know a screwdriver works. It's a regular 4-prong. I know a knife works. The bottle opener, I'm sure that works. It looks pretty good. One thing I could test here, I suppose, is the 2 saws. So there's that one, and then here's this one. So based on the 2 saws I just tried, this one, the second one, is definitely more durable and stronger because I made 2 cuts here on the piece. That was the first one, and that's this one, the second one. This one I barely made a dent. This one, I'm inside of it, it's got a clean cut, and I can see the shavings falling off. So, like I said earlier, overall it's an 8.5. It's not bad, and I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested in buying it for $12. So, thanks for watching today's video. It's a pretty cool knife overall. Subscribe down below, and see you in the next episode. Peace.